tastemakers! Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. Hey everybody, hi to all of my new subscribers, and welcome to Tanya's 12 Days of Christmas. Today's Christmas gift is going to be for a lady, and everything is lavender, purple. So I got this from Dollar Tree. And like I said, Dollar Tree's going up. Their prices are going to be $1.25 in 2022. So I'm able to get things for $1 now. These things add up when you like to give gifts and make gift baskets. So the first item is a Spa Luxury Aromatherapy Slumbers Lavender Body and Foaming Wash. I'm going to put that. And so let me show you everything that I got. Got the foaming wash. This, I'm going to use one of these Dollar Tree trays here. I got one thing of a cello wrap. I have a purple cotton set, 3-in-1 cotton set. I'm going to go on and try to put this stuff here. Cotton set. Got these beautiful lavender bath salts. Smells wonderful. They both smell wonderful. So I'm going to put that there. Got some Yardley English lavender soap. Got a beautiful lavender candle. And I got some body souffle. A purple shower, what are we calling these? Bath sponge. I'm going to put that like right in the middle. And then I got this gift is, you know, a manicure pedicure set. It has the brush and a foot file and everything you need for a spa. Love spa gifts. You know, nail grooming is so important. And then got a 2-year planner, and it has flowers. It's each month they have flowers in it. So this would be cute for an auntie. And I'm going to put that right here. And let's show you. I'll bring it around to you guys. And this is what it looks like. And this would be good for, like, if you have another bathroom, and just a guest bathroom, just have this set up in there, and it will, you know, makes a nice display. It's on a pretty tray, or you can actually use it. I'm going to wrap it up. Up just like this. You put your bow on it, and that is a beautiful, affordable gift. And then, like, you know, just go on and gather it up. And you can tape the ends down. And let me see. Let me make sure, see how much all of this came up to. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 for the tray, another $1 for this, and if you get those shrink wrap bags, you get a bag and a bow. So that'll be just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just $10, or 11 if you put this in there. Okay, so guys, thank you for tuning in to Tanya's 12 Days of Christmas. And this is our gift of the day. All right, everybody, thank you so much. Bye, Mom. And if you like content like this, go on and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content.